In front of me is the OPPO Reno15 FS, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Start by opening Devices Settings and scrolling to click on Sound and Vibration. Now we use this switcher next to Vibrate on Ring to enable or disable incoming calls vibrations. If you want, you can also select Vibrate at the top in the middle, and this way mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. When you finished, scroll down. Click on Haptics and operate this switcher next to System Haptics to enable or disable vibrations for system controls and interactions. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!